The Julabo cooling system was inspected and maintained to ensure efficient cooling performance and reliable operation. Before starting the maintenance work, the unit was switched off and isolated from the power supply to ensure safe working conditions. The cooling system was visually inspected for any signs of dirt, dust, leaks, damaged hoses, or loose connections. The ventilation area and condenser were checked and cleaned to remove accumulated dust and debris that could restrict airflow and affect cooling efficiency. The water circulation lines, hoses, and fittings were also inspected to ensure proper connections and to check for any signs of leakage or blockage. The cooling fluid level and condition were checked, and the system was cleaned as necessary. After completing the maintenance, the unit was powered on and allowed to operate. The temperature setting and actual temperature reading were monitored to verify that the cooling system was reaching and maintaining the required temperature. The circulation and cooling performance were checked to ensure stable operation. A final inspection was performed to confirm that there were no leaks, unusual noises, or abnormal operating conditions. The Julabo cooling system maintenance was successfully completed, ensuring proper cooling performance, reliable operation, and improved equipment efficiency. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, reduce downtime,